Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking your Redmi's MIUI version and confirming the Game Center app is installed. This matters because some features depend on MIUI. Next, sign into your My account and grant storage and notification permissions so Game Center can detect and manage games. If the game is not from Play Store, have the APK or link ready and verify at least 1 GB free for download. Once done, open Game Center so we can add games directly into its library and performance. You now add the game, open Game Center and go to Library or Manage Games. You do this because the app scans and profiles titles for optimization. Tap Add or the plus icon, then choose an installed game or import an APK if necessary. Game Center will create a profile. Make sure to set the performance mode, balanced, battery saver, or high performance, and toggle in-game notifications and data saver options. These settings control battery, frame rate, and alerts while you play. You finish by launching the game through Game Center so optimizations and overlays are applied. This ensures the performance profile is active and the floating tools work. If Game Center didn't detect the title, rescan the library or clear the app cache and retry because stale data can block detection. If the game crashes, lower the performance mode, disable overlays, and update the game plus MIUI. Those steps resolve most compatibility issues and get you back to smooth play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.